Hello and welcome back to Unit 3, Handling Data 3. In this video, we will be talking about the average. So first of all, what is an average? An average is a measure of the central value of a set of data, and there are three main types of average. So in this video, we will be talking about those three main types of averages, and we will be solving exercises on all three types to get to know them even more. So the first type is the mean, and how to calculate the mean. The mean is the sum of values divided by number of values. So you have a set of values, their sum divided by their number. And then you have the mode. The mode is what happens more often. It is what is occurring more and more. And finally you have the median. The median is basically the middle value. It is what happens in the middle. So when an average is calculated, always arrange the data in order from smallest to largest. So we have these scattered random numbers 1, 6, 4, 8, 2, 3, and 4. So what we're going to have to do is arranging them 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, and 8. We have arranged them in increasing order. Now, let us start with the mean. The mean of data set is the sum of the values divided by the number of the values. So let's put it in this formula. Mean equals sum divided by number. And now, there's this example. Daniel ran 100 meters 5 times. His times were recorded as follows. So, Daniel is practicing in 100 meters. He practiced for 5 times, and these are the recordings, his time sets. He had 12.2 seconds, 12.19, 12.3, 12.16, and 12.25. To calculate Daniel's mean time, do the following. First of all, you're going to have to add the values since we need the sum. So all of these time frames are going to be added. The 12.2, 12.19, 12.30, 12.16, and 12.25, all of these are going to be added together in order to reach the sum of values. Now, we're going to have to divide them by the number of values. How many values do we have? He ran it 5 times. So we divide them by 5, and so the fraction is going to be 61.1 divided by 5, and finally you'll get the answer. And now, you have the mode. The mode of a data set is the value that occurs most often. So, we have this example. The midday temperatures for the last 7 days were, and there you go, you have the temperatures, 21 degrees Celsius, 18 degrees Celsius, 19, 22, 21, 25, and 16 degrees. So, to calculate the mode temperature for these 7 days, do the following. Arrange the values in ascending order and identify the value that occurs most often. So, let's start from least to greatest. We had 18, 19, 22, 21, 25, and then we're gonna arrange them. So they're gonna be 16, 18, 19, 21, 21, and 22 and 25 degrees Celsius. So the number that happened most often was 21 degrees. It occurred 2 times for the last 7 days. And finally we have the median. The median is the middle value when data is arranged in order of size. So we're going to solve an example about median to get to know it even more. The example says the heights of 5 students are 73 inches, 60 inches, 63 inches, 72 inches, and 68 inches. To calculate the median height, rearrange the values in ascending order and identify the middle value. Remember to check that no numbers are missing. So they were scattered 73, 60, 63, 72, 68. And now we arrange them in ascending order. So 60, 63, 68, 72, and 73. Now we have 5. So we're going to look for the middle value, which is 68 inches in such case. The median for the heights of these 5 students is 68 inches. When there are 2 middle values, the median is the mean of those 2 values. So if you had 2 in the middle, 2 values in the middle, basically when the set is evenly distributed and not oddly distributed, as we've seen now, it should be like that. So if you had 7, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 5, and 11, you're going to have to first arrange them in ascending order. So you're going to have 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the set of numbers here are even. Okay, we had 8 numbers. So in the median, you're going to have two middle numbers, 7 and 8. So the perfect thing to do is to find their mean. The mean of 7 and 8 is 7 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 15. And then 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So the median in such case is 7.5. And now we have the range. The range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in a data set. So you're going to have a set of data, each having its own number, and the range is the highest number minus the lowest number. So we have music, we have 70% in music, and we have all other data, 72, 77, 79, 81, 88, and 88. So the median right here is the highest, which is 88, minus 70, which is the lowest. So the range is 18%.